We need the Holy Spirit. Without the Spirit of God, Christian life is dead. Without the Holy Spirit, a believer's life is dead. The Spirit of the living God. Oh. To be a spiritual Christian, you must be controlled by the Holy Spirit. Almost in this, the moment you see this or tattoos, the Bible you are marked with the seal, which is the Holy Spirit. It's a deposit umuntu ayithola nakaqeda ukusindiswa unayo umoya angikhulumi ngaloyo. uJesu naye bekakakhulumi ngaloyo. If you study the scriptures, you will see previously uJohn uyabaphefumulela, receive the Holy Spirit. So akakhulumi ngomoya oyingcwele, which is a mark of a seal. Njengoba umuntu eshisa inkomo ayifaka istamp negama lakhe, wonke umuntu osindiswayo unayo that measure of the Spirit. Kodwa le esikhuluma ngayo yile yesa uyahlabelela lo yeseshi athi ngeyilanga ngesuku le-Pentecost kwazwakala umsilo omkhulu, umoya kaNkulunkulu wehla emazulwini wagcwala indlu number 1 lebe bakiyo bese wagcwala phezu kwaloyo nalowo. Bhayibheli lithi wehla ulwimi lomlilo lahlala kuloya naloya. I'm talking about the baptism of the Holy Spirit. Umuntu wathi fill me till I overflow, fill me up. Kwaliswa umoya until you are intoxicated, until you are drunk with the Spirit, because the Holy Spirit is wine.